Hey viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do banana daiquiri, and this is my version of banana daiquiri. I love banana daiquiri. Sometimes I made it with alcohol, sometimes no alcohol. In this video, no alcohol. So I love my banana daiquiri with some coconut milk. So I'm going to pour just a small amount of coconut milk into a blender, and the amount will be written in the description box below. And I'm using one overripe banana. Banana is overripe. So if you have mold or anything like that, or what on your skin, you can rub the inside of the banana peel on your mole or what, and it will, over time, it will dry it up. You will have to do it more than once though. So I'm gonna use just a small amount of granulated sugar, and you can use simple sugar as well. Simple sugar in terms of you boil some sugar into some water, equal amount of sugar to equal amount of water, and you allow it to cool, and that's simple syrup. So I'm also gonna add some lime juice, and this is off of one lime. I will probably, so I'm gonna use one small lime, just a little bit more, just like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna blend it now. Yeah, this smells so good. So I like when the daiquiri is frozen, so I am gonna add some ice to it and blend it. And I'm not wearing any gloves, and don't tell me anything about any bacteria or anything like that. I'm a Jamaican, born and raised in Jamaica, and I didn't grew up using any latex gloves or anything like that. So I'm pouring the banana daiquiri into a frozen glass. This glass has been in the freezer for over about 2 hours or so. Yeah, so it's quite frozen. So I'm gonna pour the banana daiquiri into the glass. Yeah, I love this so much. Just gonna add a little decoration right here. You know, normally I would put cherry into it, like one cherry or maybe 2 cherries, but I don't have any cherries, so I'm gonna leave it at this, man. So I'm gonna see if I can present it properly. Yeah, man. Love this, love this.